This is the first step in the long journey of cleaning and restoring my grandmother's long neglected house. Look, even from here, the grass and wild bushes have grown uncontrollably, spreading everywhere. The main road to the house is almost unrecognizable now. Some parts of the house are even starting to be overtaken by wild plants. This place used to be my grandmother's home, a house full of childhood memories. But after she passed away, the house was just left behind. Her children moved to different cities, far away, to live with their own families. I don't have any photos of my grandmother's old house, but the remnants are still visible here. Only the old garden fence and the ancient well remain. That well is still used to draw water. Then, a few years ago, my uncle, my grandmother's youngest child, decided to build a new house on this land. The house was half done and fairly large, but he had to return to his city before it could be finished. Since then, this place has been left to deteriorate, and slowly, nature has started to reclaim it. Grass and weeds are growing in every corner. Today, as I come back here, I feel like I have to do something. This place is too precious to be left like this. I want to clean it up, at least as a tribute to all the memories stored here. This is the first step, cleaning up the yard where my grandmother's house once stood. I'm not doing it alone. My cousin, my uncle's child, is helping me. So far, it's just the two of us working on everything. I've decided to clean this place up entirely by hand, without any machines, just using simple tools. Why bother cleaning this place up? Because it's not just about the yard or the building, it's about the memories. Every corner holds a story, and I want to bring them back to life. Also, this house is historically significant to our family. It would be a shame to let it turn into a forest. On the first day, my focus was clearing the path to the house. I had to make sure my car could reach the porch without being blocked by the wild bushes. But this wasn't as easy as I thought. The weeds were tall, some stems thick and their roots sharp. I had to be extra careful to make sure my car could pass safely. This is just the beginning of a long process. Stay tuned for the next part. Don't miss the next chapter in part 2.